Magandang hapon po ng May 23, 2024 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng May 23, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, May 23, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 23, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 22 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 10 million pesos for Thursday, May 23, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for May 23, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.